Welcome back to 1 Hour YouTube Pro. In this video we're going to talk about the actual 1 Hour YouTube system. We're going to introduce the system, talk about the key components, and then we'll dive into details about the system in the rest of the videos. But here's the 3-step YouTube Pro, 1 Hour YouTube Pro system in a nutshell. The first thing you're going to do is find a profitable niche and a product in that niche with a good affiliate program. If you've gone through some of the other courses, then you should have a pretty good idea of how to do this. We're going to touch on it very briefly in this training just to make sure. If you haven't, if this is the first course you've gone through, then it's important that you do this right from the start. The second thing we're going to do is produce a video. Now, we haven't really gotten into too much detail about that. We kind of talked about it in creating your own product, but we're going to walk through the aspects of creating your own video and making sure that you have a good, compelling video that will actually get you conversions. And then you're going to upload the video and optimize its search rank. Okay, so that's pretty much all that you really have to do for this system. Okay, we're going to find a good niche, a good product. We're going to produce a video, then we're going to upload that video and optimize it in the search rank. Now, keep in mind that if you have your own product, obviously, you'll be promoting that. If you don't, and you want to just make money as an affiliate, then you can just find a profitable product in ClickBank, and we'll show you how to do that, or one of the other CPA networks, or even a physical product in Amazon. It's really up to you. So just a quick recap, if you've gone through some of the other YouTube materials and you've seen this, but just wanted to remind you, and if you haven't seen this, then this will be new, but there's a few reasons why videos are really profitable and why you can make a lot more money with video than you can with, just articles. The first thing is that Google ranks videos highly because Google considers them to be high in value to people browsing the internet. Okay, videos are considered higher value by Google, by viewers, pretty much all around. And not to mention that Google also owns YouTube, by the way. So the search engine that you're trying to optimize owns the video network as well. So it's kind of a no-brainer why Google prefers videos, but also YouTube videos over Vimeo or other video channels. It's also easy to use videos and sell things in the videos. It's a really good platform to kind of demonstrate and inform people inside of the videos, okay? Getting traffic to videos is not very difficult for the reasons we mentioned earlier. I mean, Google just kind of loves videos, and people like to watch videos. People would rather read or watch a video than read an article. They'd rather watch something kind of mindlessly and not have to think too much than to go in and read an article where they have to kind of like figure it out, and if it's not that well written of an article, you can lose a lot of people. A good thing about video is people are conditioned through television to just watch and kind of be told what to think. So that's a really great opportunity for you to talk about the benefits and features of your product and get a good response and get high conversions. Videos convert very well, and they're easy to get traffic to. And then you also have more competition ranking websites than videos. So SEO now is a lot harder. It's a lot harder these days to rank a website or a page or a blog than it is to get a video ranked. Okay, videos are the competition just isn't as high. Okay, not yet. So this is the perfect time to kind of strike. So in the next few videos, we're going to talk about how to actually do this system. We're going to go through these different steps and make sure you have a good understanding of how to do all of them. So we'll see you in the next few videos.